Huawei's tri-fold smartphone will all set to launch in China tomorrow, and it will be called Mate XT. The company recently dropped a video teaser showing us the rear side of the Mate XT. And this is Huawei Mate XT's official image, which shows us the smartphone's tri-folding, dual-hinge design. And this is the packaging and is come with the red and black color. And is come in beautiful for color. Now this is the first hands-on video. And this the hands-on first look Huawei Mate XT. This image was shared on Huawei's online store, which revealed the Mate XT will have 16GB per 512GB and 16GB per 1TB memory configurations. The inner screen is tipped to span 10 inches and there appears to be a hole punch cutout for the front camera on the leftmost screen. The back of the Huawei Mate XT may sport a circular camera module with a ring design. A tipster has hinted towards BOE as the Huawei Mate XT display supplier. BOE display aims to reduce the overall power consumption and flickering issue. It brings wide viewing angles with narrow edges, making the screen lightweight and slim. It also enhances touch response and boosts the image quality to the next level. A fingerprint scanner sits on the right hand side, while you can also see the camera bump here. 50 million full focus image imaging and 5x optical zoom. It may be powered by a Kirin 9 series chipset with up to LPDDR5X 16GB of RAM and 1TB of UFS 4.0 flash storage. Mate XT super long battery life 8700 mAh large battery 100W wired super fast charging 50W wireless fast charging. Other furthers IPX8 dust and water resistant satellite calls two-way Beidou satellite messaging. The device will allegedly cost 18,999 Chinese yuan in China. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.